Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss how to convert the given infix expression into the prefix expression easily. So if you see here, first let's discuss about the operator precedence. The brackets will be having the more precedence than all the operators. Next it will be for the exponential power. Next it will be for multiplication and division. Both will be having the same precedence. Here for fourth one, that is plus and minus will be having the same precedence. Among these, if both the scenarios, that is division and multiplication will be coming at the simultaneous equation, means you must be moving from the left hand side towards the right hand side. That is, you will be following the left to right associativity. When you are going from the left to right side, who will be coming first among multiplication and division? They will be having the more precedence when both of them will be coming simultaneously. Same for plus and minus also. These both will be following the left to right associativity. Now let's solve this problem. This is a infix expression. To convert it to the prefix expression, so we must be writing from our right hand side towards the left hand side. So the given equation must be vice versa. So if you write, first you will be writing 5, next exponential e plus d star. Next, this closed bracket will become open bracket. Closed bracket will become open bracket. Next, c exponential b plus a, and the open bracket will become the closed bracket. Like this. So the given infix expression will be vice versa. That is, from right hand side we will be writing towards the left hand side. Now let's solve one by one. The first one is 5. It will be in the symbol and it will be not be inserted, and it will not be inserted in the stack, so it will be inserted in the prefix directly. So in the stack you are only allowed to insert the operators itself, that is plus, minus, exponential, that one. Next it is exponential, so the symbol is exponential. I will be inserting it in the stack and my prefix will remain as it is. Next, capital letter E. So symbol is capital letter E. So I cannot insert in the stack. So stack will remain as it is from the previous step. And 5E. So the numbers and the letters or the words will be directly inserted in the prefix and the operators will be in the stack. Now let's go with plus. So plus. If you see here, in the top of the stack I am having exponential. So I have wrote the two conditions to shift these operators which are in the stack towards the prefix. So to shift the top of the stack, if the operator to insert has same precedence. So if the top of the stack is having plus and now you want to insert minus, both of them are having the same precedence. So then what you will do, you will take this plus and push it to the prefix from the stack, like that. If same precedence, push it. Next, more precedence than the operator to be newly inserted. If you see here, the top of the stack only one element is there, that is exponential power. Now I must insert plus. Among plus and exponential power, who is having the more precedence? Exponential. So more precedence than the operator to be newly inserted. So newly inserted value is plus and exponential is having the more precedence than the newly operator which you want to insert. So what you will be doing, yes, e and exponential will be shifted towards the prefix and you are left out with the plus here. Now d. So plus will remain as it is, 5e exponential d. Next, star. Star means multiplication. If you see here, in the top of the stack I am having plus. So it is having the less precedence than the value I want to insert. So you are only allowed to push the operator in the stack to prefix when the operator in the stack is having the more precedence than the newly inserted. Here, newly inserted is having the more precedence than plus. So what you will be doing, plus and multiplication will be in the same stack. Now 5e exponential d will be same from the previous step. Next I must insert the open bracket. So open bracket I will insert plus star were there, now this open bracket will be also there, because open bracket is having the more precedence than the top of the stack, that is multiplication. So the newly inserted value is having the more precedence than the top of the stack, then you are not allowed to do any changes. Next, I must insert C. So this will remain as it is, 5e exponential d. Now I want to insert C. Next, in the stack I am having plus multiplication and open bracket. So here 5e exponential d, and C is a letter, so you will directly insert here. Now I want to insert the exponential. So exponential is there. I want to insert exponential. In the top of the stack I am having open bracket. So the value that I want to insert is lesser precedence than the top of the stack. That means I must shift it. But when you are converting from the infix to prefix or infix to postfix, you are not allowed to shift the open bracket or closed bracket. So this is an exception where you can't shift the open bracket and closed bracket towards the prefix, because in the prefix or in the postfix also we will not use an operator to define the expression. So if you see here, plus will remain as it is, star will remain as it is, open bracket will be same, and exponential will be here, 5e exponential dc, because in the prefix we will not use the open bracket or closed bracket. So that is the only reason we are not shifting the open bracket to the prefix. This is an exception. Now I must insert b. So in that stack we are having plus star open bracket exponential. So I must insert b. No, it is a letter, so I can directly insert it to the prefix expression. Next I must insert plus. So plus is having the less precedence than the top of the stack, that is exponential. So I must shift the exponential to the prefix. So plus star open bracket, plus will remain here, and here 5e exponential dcb, and here it will be of the exponential because exponential is shifted. Now we are left out with a. So a is a letter, so you can directly insert it to the prefix expression, 5e power dcb power, next it will be for the capital letter A. Now only one left is closed bracket. So closed bracket is left, plus star plus. So what you will be doing is 5e exponential dcb exponential A will remain same. Now what is the value in between the open bracket and closed bracket? Plus. So you will be writing plus here. So you will be writing the plus here. When a value or an operator will be inside the plus open bracket and closed bracket, you will take that value and shift it here. Now we are left out with only plus and star. Now we are left out with only plus and star in this step. Now if you see, there is no value to insert. So this will end here. So now I must empty the step because there is no element to insert. So I must write the multiplication star, then I will be writing plus. First you must write multiplication, then you must write the plus, like this you must write. Now this is the final value. So whether this is the correct answer? No, this is not the correct answer, because at the starting we inverted the given infix expression. So inverted the given expression, no. So if you invert this expression, then you will get the prefix expression. So what will be the final value? So first write plus multiplication plus a exponential b c d exponential e and 5. So this is the final answer. So hope you understood the concept how to convert the given infix expression into the prefix expression. If you have any doubt, please comment below. If you liked the video, please subscribe and support us. Thank you.